Hello everyone, welcome to this Power BI demo walkthrough. The purpose of this video is to illustrate how your supply chain can be visualized within Power BI. Vedus is a supply chain visibility framework that can be customized to meet your specific needs, aiming to provide actionable insights into any process or activity involved in the flows from vendors to clients. To get started, click on the button in the upper right corner. From this menu, you can access several dashboards, each one containing examples of how your data can be enhanced to facilitate data-driven decision-making. Let's begin by examining the Overview dashboard. What you see here is an example of how a company monitors leading and lagging indicators for each process in its supply chain. The bullet graphs on the left instantly depict the company's performance compared to its target, and on the right, the process behavior charts display the monthly trend of the metrics and, most importantly, indicate whether the metric is under control. When a metric exceeds the control limits, it becomes a signal, allowing users to focus on genuinely important deviations rather than common variation. Let's return to the main menu. Whether you're interested in supplier relationship management or internal supply chain management, process analysis dashboards such as the following can help your team understand the extent to which your process deviates from expectations and identify activities that require attention. For example, while purchase orders typically follow a standard path from ordered to received, this company's process deviates, resulting in inefficiencies, rework, and additional costs. The backend theory driving this kind of visualizations is called process mining, and it works by extracting behaviors from the event logs generated by today's information systems. Now let's visit a metric-specific dashboard, lead time. Are you curious about your lead time? Are your suppliers delivering as agreed? Has lead time been increasing over time? A dashboard like this one allows you to answer these type of questions, and a story where these capabilities come in handy is the Helena and Seattle cases when analyzing the supplier SA. Their bars appear in red because their average lead time surpasses the 40 days threshold. And if we take a look at the purchase orders dashboard, Helena and Seattle present a late purchase orders percentage of 60 and 61 respectively, more than the 51% when considering all destinations, and more than Los Angeles' 46%, the destination with the greatest number of open POs. If this behavior persisted throughout the year, it would explain their lead times. Therefore, the company should engage with the SA supplier regarding these late orders. Let's shift to planning. In a supply chain, controlling and balancing inventory is essential. This kind of product list dashboard allows you to see the amount of inventory on order and on hand, along with a quantity to purchase recommendation. What makes this dashboard unique and special is that this recommendation is automatically computed based on an underlying forecast and an inventory control policy, without human intervention. And still, a detailed view can be added to provide the necessary context on why the recommendation results in that specific number. Regarding manufacturing, a manufacturing execution system dashboard allows the manufacturing manager to measure the execution of facilities and personnel. Are all activities being completed on the estimated time? Are estimates achievable? Why this matters is because this continuous monitoring helps to reduce inefficiencies employee per employee, facility per facility, based on data rather than pure visual considerations. Something that is also possible and really excites us is the ability to use Power BI to easily complement other analysis tools or algorithms like optimization models. This network design dashboard, for example, allows the company to visualize the demand that each site has covered over time. A great starting point to develop an optimization model and later compare the model results to what has happened previously. That is just a glimpse of how the Vedus Framework can be applied within your company. Don't miss the opportunity to keep track of every single order, transform data into actions, focus effort and costs on what really matters, and build the robustness required against today's supply chain challenges and disruptions. For more information, please feel free to contact the Ventagium team.